Hello, Eugene. How are you?
Hello, Linda. How are you?
Fine. I called you to know how things are going on with the project. In which school was the last training held?
Actually, the last training was held in Agoda Grammar School, Lagos. I've edited some footage for you here. Would you like to see it?
Oh, yes, please. Jean, how many teachers attended the training?
Quite a number of teachers. I spoke with one of them, and here is what he told me. Just a second.
The main problems in our school is the problem of crowded classrooms. That is number one. Secondly, the problems of students not having the required materials for studies. Thirdly, the problem of students coming to school unprepared. We have students who come to school with empty stomach. We have students who come to school overlabored, who are tired, and when they come to school, they find it difficult to get whatever a teacher is trying to impart into them. The role of school in this neighborhood of Lagos is to ensure that every child is educated. Whether you are from a poor background, family background, or whether you are nobody, every child has the right to be educated. So I think when that is at the back of every mind of every stakeholder in the sector, that every child must be educated, then the child in return must be able to give back to the neighborhood. Then I think with that, the society will be a better place. So a teacher should be able to, at every point, at every time, to encourage a child to bring out all the talent and the gift deposited in him or her. And I think through that, every teacher who does that and for a child, that child will keep remembering that teacher for life.
Yes, I had quite a good impression. You can really sense that the program was designed by a Nigerian organization. They know how to manage things in our environment quite well because they know the priorities.
Yes, I agree. CODAN has a long experience in quality training. It's active since 2003.
Yes, I actually had another conversation with Teresa Okafor, the CODAN managing director, and here is what she told me. Just a second.
The governors of Lagos State and Rivers State have done quite a lot in improving the infrastructure in public schools. In Rivers State in particular, the government has actually transformed the school system. The infrastructure you find in the public schools have state-of-the-art facilities, modern laboratories, modern classrooms, modern landscaping conducive for learning. But obviously, there is still a gap when it comes to the capacity of the teachers to be able to teach the students so that way we can attain the desired learning outcome. And that's where we come in the area of training teachers in styles that are adaptable to students' most preferred method of learning. The main deficiencies in the education system have to do with the methods applied in the classroom. Many teachers still operate in the traditional mode. You find students chorusing responses after the teacher. You find a lot of dictation, copying of notes, repeat after me, and very little application of knowledge, very little synthesis, analysis goes on in the classroom. And so we are coming in to enable the teacher introduce differentiation in the classroom so that she uses a method that can appeal to the learning styles of the students. Aside from that, teachers are challenged with large classes. In some schools, you have a ratio of one teacher to as many as 200 students. We focus on teachers because teachers in Nigeria have a very low profile or have a low morale. Most of them are not motivated, to really be committed to the teaching profession. And they are instrumental if schools are to improve and if the desired learning outcome is to be achieved. And so that's why we focused on teachers, because we feel that if we can improve the quality of teachers, then it would have resounding impact on the quality of students. Because if teachers are motivated, they're likely to do a better job. They're likely to put out themselves and do a better job. And subsequently, the students would improve.
Thank you, Jean. That was great. Now, I'll leave you. It's time to check out what's going on with the rest of the projects, you know. So goodbye. See you. Bye-bye.
Fantastic, Linda. See you soon. Bye-bye.